Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, I and Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu, accompanied by Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, entered Hazrat Maimuna's house. So a grilled mastigar was brought. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam intended to extend his hand to it. One of the women present in Hazrat Maimuna's house said, Inform Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam what he has intended to eat. Hearing it, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam withdrew his hand. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is it unlawful? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, No, but it is not found on my people's land, so I have an aversion to it. Hazrat Khalid radiyallahu anhu says, I thereupon dragged the mastigar and consumed it, while Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was looking at me. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5008.